What if your next adventure had no limits? Imagine waking up to breathtaking landscapes, traveling wherever the road takes you, and doing it all in a motorhome designed for ultimate freedom. The 2025 Knaus Boxlife Pro 600 isn't just a camper van, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With cutting-edge technology, smart space management, and the perfect blend of power and comfort, this van redefines what it means to travel on your own terms. Whether you're an explorer at heart or a weekend warrior, this is the vehicle that turns every journey into an unforgettable experience. Stay tuned as we dive deep into everything you need to know about this game-changing motorhome. The Knaus Boxlife Pro 600 is built on the reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, measuring 599 centimeters in length, 205 centimeters in width, and standing at a height of 258 to 282 centimeters, depending on the configuration. These compact dimensions make it agile enough for urban environments, while providing ample space for comfortable living. One of the standout features of the Boxlife Pro 600 is its versatile interior layout. It offers up to 5 sleeping berths across various configurations, catering to different travel needs. The modern furniture design incorporates contoured language, optimizing space without compromising on aesthetics. LED lighting is thoughtfully integrated throughout the interior, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. The camper van also boasts an innovative open bathroom concept with a shower, providing the flexibility of an open space or a fixed bath, depending on the chosen layout. This design maximizes the use of space, ensuring that travelers have the comfort of home while on the road. Under the hood, the Boxlife Pro 600 is equipped with a Fiat Ducato MultiJet 2.2 engine, delivering 120 horsepower. This engine is paired with a manual transmission, offering drivers a hands-on and engaging driving experience. The vehicle's gross weight is rated at 3,500 kilograms, with a payload capacity of approximately 317 kilograms, allowing for ample storage of personal belongings and travel essentials. While specific speed test data is not provided, the 120 horsepower engine is designed to offer a balanced performance suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. The vehicle's compact size and responsive handling make it easy to maneuver, enhancing the overall driving experience. The Boxlife Pro 600 comes equipped with a 95 amp-hour battery, supporting the vehicle's electrical needs during travel. While detailed information about battery charging times and capabilities is not specified, the electrical system is designed to support essential amenities such as lighting, refrigeration, and device charging, ensuring a comfortable living environment. The camper van features a 90-liter compressor refrigerator, ensuring that food and beverages remain fresh throughout the journey. The heating system is powered by a Truma Combi D4 diesel heater with a 4 kilowatt output, providing efficient and reliable warmth during colder seasons. The freshwater tank has a capacity of 102 liters, while the wastewater tank holds up to 90 liters, supporting extended periods of off-grid travel. The starting price for the Knaus Boxlife Pro 600 is approximately £67,225. It's important to note that this price includes 20% VAT, and may vary depending on additional features and configurations chosen. For the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, potential buyers are encouraged to consult with authorized Knaus dealers. Regarding the release date, the Knaus website indicates that the information is being updated for the 2025 model year, which spans from July 1st, 2024 to June 30th, 2025. Prospective buyers should refer to the Knaus configurator for the latest details on availability and specifications. The 2025 Knaus Boxlife Pro 600 stands as a testament to thoughtful design and engineering, offering a compact yet comfortable solution for modern travelers. Its blend of functionality, performance, and style makes it a compelling choice for those seeking adventure, without sacrificing the comforts of home. Whether navigating city streets or exploring the open road, the Boxlife Pro 600 is equipped to provide a memorable and enjoyable travel experience.